Hello and welcome to the video lecture on IUPAC nomenclature rules for nitro compounds. Learning outcomes. At the end of this video, the learners will be able to name the nitro compounds according to IUPAC rules. Nitro compounds. Nitro compounds are the compounds which contain the nitro group, that is NO2 group. So general formula for nitro compounds is RNO2, where R may be the alkyl groups or aryl group. So let's discuss about the classification of nitro compounds. Nitro compounds are classified as primary nitro compounds in which nitro group is attached to primary carbon atom. For example, nitroethane, in which NO2 group is attached to primary carbon atom, means the atom which is attached to other only one carbon atom. Second type of nitro group is the secondary nitro compounds, in which the nitro group attached to secondary carbon atom. For example, 2-nitropropane, in which the NO2 group is attached to secondary carbon atom, means the carbon atom attached to two other carbon atom. That's why that carbon atom is called as secondary carbon atom, on which nitro group is attached. Hence, this compound is called as secondary nitro compounds. And third type is tertiary nitro compounds, in which the nitro group is attached to tertiary carbon atom, means the carbon atom which is attached to three other carbon atoms. So nitro group is attached to carbon atom which is again attached with the three different carbon atoms. Hence it is tertiary carbon atom, and the compound is called as tertiary nitro compounds. Now let's discuss about the IUPAC rules for naming of nitro compounds. In IUPAC system, the nitro functional group is always named as substituents. Hence, prefix is used. So, adding the prefix nitro to the alkane name. Hence, in the IUPAC system, the nitro compounds are named as nitroalkanes. So here, nitro group is attached to methyl groups. So only one carbon atom. So it is methane, and nitro is used as a prefix. So name of this compound is nitromethane. So let's see the IUPAC rules for naming of nitro compounds. All the rules which are applicable to the alkane that will help to give the name to the nitro compounds, such as first you have to select the longest continuous carbon chain containing nitro group. Then second step is name the longest chain depending on the number of carbon atom in a longest continuous carbon chain. Then you have to give the numbering to the longest chain in such a way that the substituent carrying carbon atom must possessing the lowest possible number. Then you have to use a position number and name of substituents as a prefix onto the name of parent alkane. If the same substituents are present by 2 or more than 2 times, then you have to use di, tri, tetra as a prefix. If 2 or more different substituents are present, then you have to arrange substituents according to their alphabets. So here is one example for you. So select longest possible continuous carbon chain. And then numbering from 1n. So 5 carbon atom. So name of alkane is pentane. One of the substituent is 2-methyl. Another substituent is nitro. You know very well the nitro functional group is always named as substituents. So in that example, there are two substituents. One substituent is methyl and another substituent is nitro. So as per the rules, you have to arrange the substituents according to alphabets. So methyl comes first. So we have numbering in a such a way that the methyl group attached to carbon atom must possessing the lowest possible number. Hence we have numbering from right to left. So this is the correct numbering along with the name. And in last steps, you have to just prefix the position number and name of substituents onto the parent name. If two different substituents are there, then you have to arrange the substituents according to the alphabets. Hence, the name of this compound is 2-methyl-4-nitropentane. So here is practice problem for you. Write the IUPAC name of the following structure compound. Now let's play the video. Step 1 is select longest continuous carbon chain, then numbering from carbon atom on which the substituents is attached. So this is the numbering containing 3 carbon atom. So name of parent is propane, substituent 1 nitro, 2 chloro, 1 bromo. So arrange the substituents according to the alphabets. So bromo will come first because it starts with B, then followed by chloro, and last followed by nitro. So name of this compound is name of compound is 1 bromo, 2 chloro, 1 nitropropane. So remember, whenever different substituents are present, then you have to arrange the substituents according to the alphabets. So hence summary, nitro compounds are the organic compounds which contain the nitro functional groups. The general formula for nitro compound is RNO2. R may be the alkyls or aryl groups. Nitro functional group is always named as substituents, hence prefix is used. So you have to add prefix nitro to the alkane name. So nitroalkane is the IUPAC name of the nitro compounds. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.